Hi everyone and welcome back, and if you're new here, I am Prakriti and today's video is going to be all about K-beauty. I recently bought some K-beauty products from Nykaa on their Republic Day sale, and by the way it's K-A-Y K-beauty, which is Katrina Kaif's beauty brand in partnership with Nykaa. It's not Korean beauty, alright? I'm so excited to try all of these products in today's video and share my opinion on all the products with you guys. So if you want to see how I created this makeup look using these K-beauty products, please keep on watching. First of all, I'm using the Plume Silk Blur Moisturizing Primer and I'm just applying a nice layer all over my face. So now that my face is primed, I'm going to jump on to the first product, which is the K-beauty Contour Stick in Coco Focus. So this is a marula oil based formula which is extremely blendable, and this mimics your skin texture and does not look cakey or chalky at all. I really like the formula of this product, but the thing is that it's not very blendable. If you want to blend it with a sponge, you will have a hard time blending it. First of all, I just place the product in the areas which is generally over here, and then on my forehead and also on my jaw, especially over here because I like this to be very V-shaped, you know. And then I'll just go ahead and place a little bit over here. This much of product is more than enough because this is very pigmented, and also this shade can work on a lot of different skin tones. It can also work on very deeper skin tones. You have to work a little bit to blend this product, and especially if you have dry skin, you need to hydrate your skin really nicely before you apply this product. So I just push it into my hairline for my forehead. I also like applying a little bit extra because this is a layer that's going under my foundation, so definitely foundation is going to cover a little bit of this contour going on. Since K-beauty has not got any foundation, I am just going to use my Rimmel Match Perfection foundation, and this one is in the shade 303 True Nude. I'm applying a thin layer all over my face. For concealer, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade medium. So as you can see, this concealer is a little bit of a highlighting concealer for me. It's not exactly my concealer shade, but yes, that's the kind of finish we are going for today. And the next product that we are going to try is their new launch, which is the K-beauty Matte Compact enriched with avocado and mango butter. So I got this one in the shade 16OY tan. They came out with 10 shades. By the way, I like the shade range of all the products that they have. So finding my shade was not very difficult. So according to K-beauty, all you need to do is dab some compact on the sweat prone zones of your face and it will last you through the day, even if you decide to take a dip in the pool. Well, it's winter and my skin is dry. So let's see how this performs on my skin. My dry skin, my extremely dry skin. So I'm just going to blend the concealer first and then we'll set the under eyes. My under eyes are the only areas that I set with a powder on my whole face. Maybe a little bit on my chin, around my mouth. But yes, I'm going to try this powder on my under eyes. I like the overall packaging, but it's small, you guys. Like, this is my hand and it's kind of small. The shade looks pretty good. I think it will just cancel out the white effect that's going on under my eyes. So for setting my under eyes, I'm using the PAC 245 highlighter brush. Actually, this brush cannot be used with a highlighter according to me because this is kind of dense. I'm just going to take my brush. I'm going to dip my brush in it. It picks up a lot of product. I really like this shade. I think it's going to work for me. I'm just going to press it over here first. Alright, I think it's a little bit too orange. I do know that this area looks a little bit orange, but in the mirror it looks fine. I think on the camera it looks a little bit more orange, and I like that it just neutralized the white that was going on under my eyes because of the concealer. It doesn't feel dry at all. It's very comfortable. So now let's try out the K-beauty matte blush. This is enriched with avocado plus mango butter. I got this one in the shade called Soft Nude, and the packaging is really good, you guys. On the inside, your product is completely protected, as you can see, and I really like the packaging of all these palettes. So this is the blush. I hope that it's not dark too dark for me. So for blush, I use this Lottie London blush brush. I'm just gonna take a little bit. This is how the product looks on the brush. And I generally start with this area. This is really nice, and this is such a beautiful shade. And it's so pigmented, you just need the tiniest amount for your face. This looks so good. And I'll just take it till here. So this also neutralized the orange tint of the compact. So yes, this looks really cute. This is a really nice blush, especially for deeper skin tones. This shade is very unique and it's just gorgeous. Next, we are going to try out the K-Beauty Illuminating Highlighter. This is also enriched with avocado plus mango butter. And I'm going to spray my face first and then only I'll use the highlighter. I know that way it's going to perform really well. Any highlighter performs well that way. By the way, I got this in the shade Honey Glaze. I'm going to give you the close-up of all the swatches on my hand. So I think I'll just give my face a nice little spray. I'm just going to use the Makeup Fixer from Swiss Beauty. For this highlighter, I'm going to use the Wet n Wild P77 brush. This is a nice little highlighter brush that I really like. So I'm just going to pick up some highlighter, place it over here. So this has got a really nice and subtle glow, but I just feel that this shade is a little bit too dark for my skin tone. And it's also kind of exaggerating some of the imperfections that I have in this area. So I just used some brown eyeshadow in my crease, and now I am going to try out their Metal Show eyeshadow stick. This is basically going to go all over my eyes. I have got this in the shade Navigator, which is a very deep blue shade. This comes in a box, something like this. And it has also got a plastic packaging on the inside, but I really wish that all of these pencil things were retractable because I really don't like products that I have to sharpen. So once you blend it, you'll see that this is very metallic, and you guys trust me, this is the least amount of product I can use. So this is very, very pigmented. I am just gonna go directly on the eyes because I want that pigment. Probably blend a little bit. Wow, this is very pigmented, you guys. Very, very pigmented. You don't need anything. Alright, so this look went from cute and blushing to sultry and smoky just by using an eyeshadow stick. Alright, I went bonkers with the blue. I look like a ghost, but a sultry ghost. That blue definitely is phenomenal. I don't have any other word. I'm just gonna pack a little bit of that highlighter on my brow bone and also my inner corner. The last step is going to be lips, and first of all I'm going to line them. This is the K-Beauty lip liner in the shade Fame, and I really, really love the shade. I love how it feels on the lips. This is very, very soft and very, very creamy, and it's also very long lasting. So I'm just going to line my lips. Goes on very smooth. The only problem I have with this lip liner is with the packaging. I wish it came in a retractable packaging. Now for lip crayon, I have their Matteinee lip crayon, and this one is in the shade called Pap-ed. And this is again enriched with chamomile and marula oil. I've not tried this, so I'm just trying it for the first time over here. It glides like butter. Best thing, this is retractable. And this shade with this lip liner, you guys. Perfect nude for dusky skin tone. Okay, so the two things that I didn't try were number one, their eyeliner, and number two is their Master Strobe Lip Topper. Actually, I got this free. There was a sale going on, I think Republic Day sale, when I bought all of these products. So I got this one free, and this one is in the shade Unbeaten. I'm gonna try it on top of this. Okay, this is quite red actually. Yeah, I don't like it a lot. And the eyeliner, you guys, I'm going to try it in some other video because today, of course, I cannot go in with an eyeliner as well. Now, let's get to my favorite products of all the products that I tried. Number one is their matte compact enriched with avocado plus mango butter. First of all, this is a nice hydrating kind of compact. So if you have dry skin, you can really go for this one. Plus, it has also got some pigment, some tint. So it can also provide some coverage. Initially, it looked a little bit orange, but then I just neutralized it with the blush. Now my second favorite product is obviously their blush. I love this color, soft nude. It's such a beautiful pink color, especially for dusky skin tone, and it has got just the perfect amount of pigmentation. So I really loved this shade, especially, which is soft nude. And also the formula of their blush, it's not drying, it will not give you a ghost face, you know, like some of the blushes that sit very matte on your skin. It's not like that. I really love how this blush sits on my skin. My third favorite product will definitely be this Metal Show eyeshadow stick. Honestly, I never thought that it's going to be this pigmented. That's why I bought the eyeliner, because I thought that it's going to give me a wash of blue when I blend it out. But holy smokes, this gave me a full-on smoky eye, you guys, and I was definitely not expecting that in today's video. So yes, this is very pigmented, and I'm definitely going to purchase more shades because it was really easy to work with it. It works phenomenally with a brush as well, especially if you are using brushes that have synthetic fibers. It's gonna work better with those type of brushes. I also liked their crayon, but those were my top 3 products of all the products that I tried today. And that's it for the video, you guys. I hope that this video will be helpful for you in case you're thinking of buying some K-beauty products. I liked most of their products, and I feel that the 3 products that I mentioned are definitely worth the money. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell. And yes, that's it. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.